Short Tigrinya Grammar, ሰዋስው Tigrinya. In this lesson, we will start with adjectives. Quetzal. In Tigrinya Grammar, adjectives describe or modify nouns and pronouns. Unlike in English, Tigrinya adjectives change form based on the gender and number of the noun. Masculine and feminine, singular and plural nouns use different adjectives. Adjectives are categorized by function, meaning, and usage.
Categories of adjectives.
ናይ ቅጽል ክፍልታት ናይ ዓይነት ቅጽል
Descriptive adjectives.
ለካዒ ቅጽል
Quantitative adjectives.
ኣመልካቲ ቅጽል
Demonstrative adjectives.
ናይ ዋንነት ቅጽል
Possessive adjectives.
ናይ ሕቶ ቅጽል
Interrogative adjectives.
ፈላይ ቅጽል
Distributive adjectives.
ናይ ሃገርን ዜግነትን ቅጽል
Nationality adjectives. Descriptive adjective. Describe qualities.
ናይ ዓይነት ቅጽል ብጫ
Yellow.
መንእሰይ
Young.
ሽማግለ
Elder.
ሓድሽ
New.
ዓቢ
Big.
ንእሽቶ
Small.
ብዙሕ
Much. Many.
ውሑድ
Few.
ጽቡቕ
Handsome. Good. Beautiful.
ጽብቕቲ
Beautiful feminine singular. Quantitative adjectives. Modify nouns by specifying amount or number. Definite cardinal numbers.
ለካዒ ቅጽል ዝተወሰነ ኣሃዝ ቁጽራዊ ሓደ
1,
ክልተ
2,
ሰለስተ
3.
ቀዳማይ ቀዳመይቲ
First, masculine feminine.
ካልኣይ ካልአይቲ
Second, masculine feminine.
ሳልሳይ ሳልሰይቲ
Third, masculine feminine. Quantitative adjectives. Indefinite numeral adjectives.
ለካዒ ቅጽል ዘይተወሰነ ኣሃዝ ገለ
Some.
ብዙሕ
Many. Much.
ውሑድ
Few.
ዝያዳ
More.
መብዛሕትኡ
Most. Distributive numerals. Refer to members of a group individually.
ለካዒ ቅጽል ፈላይ ወይ ዓዳሊ ቅጽል ነፍሲ ወከፍ
Each.
ኩሉ ነፍሲ ወከፍ
Every.
ኩሉ እዚ
Either.
ዋላ ሓደ ዘይኮነ
Neither.
ኣይዚ ኣይቲ
Neither. Nor.
Follow the channel and share it with anyone who wants to learn Tigrinya.